Some of us believe in psychics. All of us believe in the paranormal. We believe the only way to find the answers is to hit the open road.
My name is Dan LaFave and I'm from the Lone Star State. They call me Reaper. Along with my wife Connie and my team of paranormal investigators, we ride the back roads and highways of Texas and other states on our quest as to seeking the ghosts and spirits of the Western past. We are known as the Ghost Riders.
This past involves an old west where many gave and died in heartache and pain.
Ghost towns exist where the spirits of those cowboys may still walk and possibly damned in purgatory.
You're watching us right now. See, we believe in ghosts. We ride from ghost town to ghost town on our quest for the history and fate of lost souls, to find and help those ghosts of the past.
Get you.
And we make it one hell of a ride.
It's more than paranormal. It is more than any other ghost show. We are not hunters or work in a lab. We are a team of modern Texas cowboys and a cowgirl who ride like dust in the wind.
Hop on the back of our bikes as we go full throttle to find the truth. Come join the Ghost Riders.